Hello, and we are back again with another story for you today. This one is called The Baby BeeBee Bird. It's written by Diane Redfield Massie. She's the author, and the illustrator is Stephen Kellogg. And this is about a little bird that somehow has his days and nights turned around. And some of you might have a little baby brother or sister that happens to. And that's kind of gets to be a problem. The baby BeeBee bird. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. Oompa, oompa, oompa. Roar, roar, roar. Woof, woof, woof. Arga, arga, arga. Ow! Ah, ka, 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 ka. Ah, ba, ba, ba. Ah, ba, ba, ba. And again. They were very tired. It's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant, and he settled down in his big hay bed. I've eaten 562 peanuts today, he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still until BeeBee Bobby Bobby BeeBee Bobby Bobby BeeBee Bobby Bobby BeeBee Bobby Bobby. What? Said the elephant. Is that? It's the baby BeeBee bird, said the giraffe. He's new to the zoo. Well, tell him to be quiet, growled the leopard. I want to sleep. Because there's nothing worse than getting woke up when you've been sleeping. BeeBee Bobby Bobby BeeBee Bobby Bobby BeeBee Bobby Bobby BeeBee Bobby Bobby. Be quiet, please, said the giraffe politely. But I can't, said the baby BeeBee bird. I'm wide awake. Now, some of you might have had nights like that where you just can't sleep. Eyes won't go shut, and you are awake. Ready? BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby. Quiet! Roared the lion. He's wide awake, explained the giraffe. Oh, why isn't he tired like the rest of us? Moaned the bear. Ready? BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby. Aren't you tired? Asked the giraffe. No, said the BeeBee bird. I've slept all day, and now it's time for me to sing. Oh dear, said the elephant, and I am so sleepy. BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby. Quiet! Shouted all the animals. BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby, BeeBee Bobby Bobby. We can't sleep! The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. What can be the matter? Cried the keeper. The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh, dear me. The animals must be sick, he wailed. and he hurried away. Now we know they're not sick. We know they're just tired. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," said the baby BeeBee bird cheerfully, and he settled down for his morning nap. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby." The lion whispered to the bear. "I have a plan," he said. And the bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The BeeBee bird was at last fast asleep. Now I want you to think, what might that plan be? Think about it. Tell it to somebody. We'll see if you're right. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," roared the lion. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," trumpeted the elephant. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," bellowed the bears. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," sang all the animals together. "Quiet," said the BeeBee bird. "Can't you see that I'm sleepy? It's time for my nap." You think they'll be quiet? "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," yelled the hippos. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," shrieked the seals. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," thundered the moose and the water buffalo. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," they roared. The keeper came running with his arms in the air. "Something is wrong," he shouted. "Something is very wrong with the animals. Whatever shall I do?" And he jumped up and down with alarm. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," sang the animals all day long. And the baby BeeBee bird couldn't simply sleep at all. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby," and the sun went down and the moon came up. "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby," whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar. "Bobby, BeeBee," sighed the bear as he closed his eyes. "Bee, bee, ba, bee," mumbled the elephant half to himself. And then all was still. Because what happened? The moon shone down upon a sleeping zoo. Not an ear or a tail or a whisker moved. And if you look closely, you'll be able to see all of the sleeping animals, or most of them anyway. And high, high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird inside a leaf was fast asleep. And now every day at the zoo you can hear "BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby" in between the lion's roars. Roar! Roar! Woo! Woo! Arga! Arga! Woof! 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 Oompa! Oompa! Ah! Kak, 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 kak. And BeeBee, Bob, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby, BeeBee, Bobby, Bobby. But at night, there is never a sound. Nighttime is really best for sleeping, especially for very little birds. And that was how the animals at the zoo got baby BeeBee bird back to being awake in the daytime and sleepy at night like all the rest of the animals do. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.